spacious living area. So you have this is your modular kitchen with a lot of storage units, very spacious, and it's very much luxurious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayashree. Today we are at Mahindra Harya by the builders Mahindra Builders, which is located at Electronic City Phase 2 for a sample flat tour. Well, we will get to know a lot about the project in detail, but before that, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, the best rate possible. Unlike the other current listing platform where you do an inquiry or number shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of unwanted calls. Housey is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So hurry up, go book your dream home directly with the builders through Housey. So let's talk about the project overview. The project Mahindra Arya is built on a land parcel of 9.42 acres with 3 towers. The available stories are ground plus 15 floors and the available variants are 2 and 3 BHK. Now let's talk about the connectivity. This project is located at Electronic City Phase 2 near Uskur Road, and this project is just 12 minutes away from the Electronic City Toll Plaza. And now let's talk about the amenities. This project has all the modern amenities such as clubhouse, multi-purpose game courts, swimming pool, gymnasium, party hall, kids play area, kids swimming pool, yoga lounge and many more. So here's right now we are in front of 2 BHK sample flat called Mahindra Arya by Mahindra Builders, which is located in Electronic City Phase 2. So let's get inside. So as you walk inside, this is your spacious living area. So you have your sofa area, and right in front of the sofa you can find your television unit and storage spaces over here. So this is your luxurious living area. So you can look at the interiors. It's really amazing. And now it's time to check the dining area. So this is your dining area with 4 seating, and look at the color combinations. It's really fantastic. And this is your storage purpose, storing units. And on the other side of the dining area you can find your wash basin. And now it's time to check the balcony. So yes, this is your balcony. It's very spacious, so you can customize it the way you want, and you can spend your leisure time over here having your coffee or tea. And on this side we have garden. So yes, you can decorate it the way you want. Now it's time to check the kitchen in this 2 BHK flat. So this is your modular kitchen with a lot of storage units for storing purpose. Yes, we have a stainless steel wash basin and a utility area over here. And also this kitchen comes with a balcony. So yes, this is your balcony where you can spend your leisure time and enjoy your serene green view. So yes, this is your kitchen. You can customize it the way you want. And now it's time to check the first bedroom in this 2 BHK flat. This way is the first bedroom, also called as the kids bedroom. So look at it. It's super spacious. There is ample amount of space on all the sides of the bed. So this is your bed, and right opposite to the bed you have your study area, and over here we have big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. And here, yes, we have a sitting arrangement where you can relax and enjoy your time. So a lot of storage spaces have been provided, and this is the wardrobe area. So it's really big and the color combinations are really amazing. And now it's time to check the common bathroom in this 2 BHK flat. So this is your common bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment as you can see, and window for ventilation. So yes, that was about the common bathroom, and now it's time to check the master bedroom. But before we check master bedroom, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey, we provide sample flat tour, actual location tour, the pros and cons, why you should invest in this project, the pricing details such as EMI and down payments, as well 360-degree project virtual tour. So now it's time to check the master bedroom. So this is your master bedroom, very spacious, and it's very much luxurious. Ample amount of space on both the sides of the bed, and this is your wardrobe with transparent door. A big wardrobe has been provided, and this is your dressing area where you can also store things over here. So they have given storage units, and this is your window for ventilation and for natural sunlight, and a sitting arrangement where you can sit and relax. So yes, this is your master bedroom. I hope you liked it. And now it's time to check the attached bathroom in this master bedroom. Very spacious bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, window for ventilation, and over here we have wash basin as well as mirror. So everything is super spacious and everything is very well designed. So the interiors are really luxurious. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This was 2 BHK sample flat tour called Mahindra Arya by Mahindra Builder. If you have any questions about the project, do mention it in the comment section below. If you have any feedback, yes, mention in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Housey to know about such amazing videos. See you in the next video. Bye. So everyone, this was 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Mahindra Arya by Mahindra Builders, which is located in Electronic City Phase 2.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.